She was sitting at her desk when the phone rang. Her heart jumped. The sound felt too loud in the busy office. She looked at the screen and felt her hands stop moving. She thought, is this my call? What if I don't understand? Her name is Lina. She is a new customer service worker. It is only her 3rd week at the job. The office is always busy. Phones ring. People talk fast. Everyone seems to know what to do. That morning, she was reading an email on her computer. The phone rang again. She looked up. She waited. Just 1 second. The ringing stopped. Her stomach dropped. She knew she missed the call. Her mind started to blame her. Why didn't I answer? I'm too slow. My English is not good enough. She sat still, but inside, she felt noisy. Her heart beat fast. Her face felt warm. She imagined the caller waiting, then hanging up. She imagined her manager being angry. A few minutes later, her manager walked past her desk. He looked at the phone and said, "Did we miss a call?" Lina felt nervous. She wanted to make an excuse, but she didn't. She looked up and said, "Yes, I missed it. I'm sorry." Her voice was quiet, but honest. Her manager nodded. He didn't shout. He didn't look upset. He said, "It's okay. Please call them back." That was it. No drama. No angir. Lina picked up the phone slowly. Her hands were shaking. She thought, what if they speak too fast? What if I don't know the words? She took a deep breath and pressed the button.
"Good morning," she said.
"Thank you for calling. How can I help you?" She had practiced that sentence many times. It gave her a small moment to breathe. The customer started speaking. Fast. Too fast. Lina did not understand everything. Her chest felt tight again. But she remembered something simple. She said, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" The customer paused, then spoke again. Slower. This time Lina understood more. Not all the words, but enough. She listened carefully. She answered slowly. She used simple sentences. She didn't rush. When the call ended, Lina put the phone down. Her heart was still beating fast. But she was smiling. She looked at her desk. The same office. But she felt different. She realized something important. The problem was not her English. The problem was her fear. Everyone misses calls. Everyone makes mistakes. Even people who speak English very well. English is not about being fast. It is about being clear. It is about trying. That day, Lina learned more than work English. She learned a life lesson. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after you answer the phone. If you are afraid to speak English at work, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need one brave moment. And that moment can change how you see yourself.